This is the second part of my model making. This is the HO model kit signal gantry. 3-track width can be extended by additional kit. This is by Airfix. Exactly the same box as the water tower. As you can see, the picture's exactly the same. Of course, the only difference is one says water tower and one says a signal gantry. Same picture all the way around, well, on 3 sides, or 2 sides even. So open it up, got the instructions, only 3 stages this time. Again, it's got this "Are you a member of the Airfix Models Club page every week in Buster and Valiant comments. Again, do those comments still even exist? If you know they still exist and you can still buy them today, please let me know in the comments below. Just alright to Airfix Models Club, Department C, 15/17, Longacre, London, WC2 9QU. Again, does that address even still exist? And then there's a, if you like, a complaint thing, like if you've got parts missing, you just fill in the top bit there, and then you put name of construction kit, say signal gantry, mug paint is such and such part is missing. Or part, and you put the part number if it's 5, 6, 7, whatever, and then today's date. But I don't think I'm going to be using this. Get the bits out. As you can see, what has happened. I can remember, I can't remember who built it, but 20 odd years ago, maybe 25, 30 years ago, somebody did build it for me, and I did kind of knock into it and broke it, so it just needs fixing really. I might have to bodge a tiny bit of it because this side's been glued on the wrong way round. I don't know if you can see, but they're 2 little bits what stick out, and that is, there's those bits what stick out. I'll show you on this one. That is where you got these 2 little groove bits, and they go in like that. But that's because this one's been stuck on the wrong way round. That is in the way, so that won't. So I'm gonna have to somehow bodge it. That end should be stuck on that end, and that end should be stuck on this end. So I'm going to somehow bodge it a bit. I don't know how, but we will see. How to get this bit onto there, like so, so that those bits are on that side. Because if I do it on that, so those still sticking bit out, that'd be on the wrong side. This is going to be on this side like that. So that's the correct way round, even though that bit's on the wrong way. I don't want to try and break this off because I think it would just it's been glued on so well it will break, and I can't take that off neither because that would break as well. You can see there's a tiny little crack just there. Now you can see that, but there is a tiny crack. If I force that off, this would break off, and I don't want that. So like I said, that bit is going to be, that gantry bit, it's going to be bodged on. Okay, so that's, now I've got to put this little platform on and the ladder, so that's nearly done now. Now I've nearly finished. I've had to put some supports underneath there just to make it slightly stronger. All I've got to do now is to add this little ladder and these little bars which go in those little holes along there. See those little holes just along there, and that'd be finished. I mean, it does say, once I put these little bars in there, it does say foam handles between bars with cotton or nylon thread. I don't know if I'll actually do that, but we shall see. The last few bar things, what you want to call them. Handlebars. Last one's going to be really fiddly to do now, isn't it? A bit wonky, some of them, but I think that's that now. My little signal gantry. I know probably looks best like to paint. I think that railways go backwards, like they have the red at bottom, amber in the middle and green at the top, don't they? And there's a little ladder there where they can climb up and down. There's a little, like it says in the instructions, put some cotton wool or nylon around that, I don't know. And I'll just leave It's a bit messy, I know, and I've had to make it slightly stronger, put some supports along there. But basically that's it. That's my Airfix signal gantry and water tower. Not 100% perfect, but it would do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't pass by without liking and subscribing, please. Didn't glue the lid down because I might want to put stuff in it or something, I don't know, but anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.